Ready to ditch the generic store-bought invitations and create something truly special for your birthday bash? First, open Microsoft Word and click on File in the top left corner, then select New to start a new document. In the search bar, type birthday invitation and press Enter. Word will display a variety of pre-designed templates you can customize. Scroll through the options and choose one that catches your eye. Once you've picked a template, click Create Now. Let's personalize it. Click on the text boxes to edit the party details. Replace the placeholder text with the birthday person's name, date, time, location, and RSVP information. Want to add a personal touch? Go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. You can upload a photo of the birthday person or any fun image to make the invitation even more special. To change the colors or fonts, click on the Shape Format tab or the Home tab. Experiment with different colors, fonts, and sizes to match your party's theme and make the text easily readable. Play around with the layout by dragging and resizing elements. Add extra text boxes for special instructions or a short, fun message. Once you're happy with your design, go back to File and select Print. Choose your printer settings and print the test copy to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully created personalized birthday invitations using Microsoft Word. Now you can print as many as you need and get ready to celebrate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Happy creating!